Hi guys, this is Srinivas once again for you. I'm working as assistant professor in Python PG courses. Today I'm going to discuss about important concept in probability, that is Bayes' theorem. So already in the previous video I have given some sort of example of Bayes' theorem, that is model 1. I'm going to teach you a model 2. Depending upon the question, we have our procedure will be different. In this case, there is some sort of a percentage problem. In the previous problem, we have three boxes, box 1, box 2, box 3. In this case, we have some sort of a companies like ABC and the person is given. Let us go ahead for this problem. That is, in a board factory machines ABC, manufacture respectively 25%, 35% and 40% of the total boards. Of their output, 5%, 4% and 2% are defective. So there are three companies, so that is board manufacturing company. The total output for A is 25%, for B is 35% and for C is 40%. Out of 25%, 5% are defective boards which was given by our machine A. In the same way for B and for C also we have a defective percentage of boards are given. Clear? Now we will move on to a board is drawn at random. So there are plenty of boards are there. We are selecting one board. One board is selected random out of a total boards. Okay. Then and found to be a defective. What we have selected the board that is a defective board. Then what is the probability that the defective board is came from machine A, machine B or machine C like that? What is the probability that it was manufactured by machine B? So what we have to find, for me to say here, what we have to find is, we have to find that the probability that our defective or selected board which is manufactured by machine B. This is all about. So if you observe all these things, there is some sort of a condition. If a board is selected at random, is found to be, what is the chance that it was manufactured by machine B? There is some sort of a condition. So condition means all about the condition probability or as of Bayes' theorem. So Bayes' theorem is also one of the part of condition probability. Now we are going to solve this problem by using Bayes' theorem. So let us start. First of all, we have to define the events. What is event? Let event be the event of selecting a board which is manufactured by machine A. Clear? And E to be the event of selecting a board which is manufactured by machine B, and E3 be the event of selecting a board which is manufactured by machine C. So all of you, if you observe the data, we got some sort of a percentage values are given. What is P of E1? The probability of selecting a board which is manufactured by machine A. So we got some sort of a percentage here, that is 25% is given. So 25% it means that equal to 25 by 100, that is a variable number of cases by exhaustive number of cases. So that is 0.25. This is all about the probability for machine A. Now we will move on to P of E2. What is P of E2? From the given data we have, that is 35% is given, that is 35 by 100. So obviously that is 0.35. In the same way, probability for the third machine B, machine C, that is 40%, that is 0.40. Clear? So if you answer the question all of you, a board is drawn at random. So we are going to select a board. So for that reason I am going to define a event. Let A be the event of selecting a board. So if you answer the question is to be a defective all of you. So what we have selected, that board is a defective. So let A be the event of selecting a board which is defective. So now I am going to find the value, that is P of A given. What it means? The condition probability saying that the probability of happening of an event A when event is already happened. So what it means in terms of this, what is A? Probability of selecting a defective board which is came from a manufactured by a machine A. So what is even? We already denote that even by the event of selecting a board which is manufactured by machine A. So in the same way, what is P of A given? A means a defective board which came from machine A. So from the given data we have a notation that 5% is given. So these are about 5%. So 5% means all of you 0.05. In the same way, P of A given E2. What is P of A given E2? Probability of happening of an event when it is already happened. That is the probability of drawing a defective board which came from machine C. From the given data we have a 4%. The value should be 0.04. Similarly, we have P of A given E3, that is 2%. It means 0.02. Okay. So now, if you observe the exact value what we have defined. So what is the probability that it was manufactured by a machine B? Okay. So the required probability is. So if you observe the question, the required probability is probability of. What is the probability that it came from machine B? So the machine B, so we have to find the probability that it was manufactured by machine B. So machine B was represented with an event E2. That's why we have to find P of E2 given. For example, if it is so what is the probability that it was manufactured by machine A, then P of E1 given it. If it is machine C, P of E3 given it, like that. So we have a Bayes' theorem notation, that is by using Bayes' theorem we have P of EI given A is equal to P of EI into P of A given EI by summation I equal to 1 to n. The value of n is 3. We have a machine A, B, C that here. So simply that's why I am taking the value of n equal to 3. P of EI into P of A given EI. What are the required properties? P of E2 given A. Now we are going to substitute all the values in this notation. Now the required properties P of E2 given A, that is P of E2 given A can be written as all of you. If you are going to compare these two, P of E2 into P of A given E2. But I am going to run this summation. First put I equal to 1 here, that is P of E1 into P of A given E1. Summation is plus P of E2 into P of A given E2 plus if I put I equal to 3, that is P of E3 into P of A given E3. That equal. So already we calculate P of E2. What is the value of P of E2? 0.35 into what is P of A given E2? The value of P of A given E2 is 0.04 by what is P of E1? 0.25 times of what is P of A given E1 is 0.05 plus 0.35 into 0.04 plus P of E3. P of E3 is 0.40 into P of A given E3, that is 0.02. So if you are going to calculate all these things, so finally we will get 28 by 69. So these are about probability of that defective board which is given by machine B. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Thank you.